Happy Tuesday! Greetings from Puerto de la Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. This is video about the weather here. Morning weather. 10:30, lovely 24 degrees. 23, okay maybe. And we are expecting 26 today. And it looks like this statue is ready, it's finished. So we are now we are waiting for a wind, some strong wind, to see all those segments moving, rotating. There's, the moon is over there somewhere. Let's go and see Playa Martianes, some surfing action maybe. Yes, they are beautiful. There are beautiful waves. So we can definitely see some action. Lots of surfers. We have to wait for El Niño. So have a nice Tuesday, greetings and best wishes from Puerto de la Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise.